Hi guys, this is Priyanjali here. I'm the founder of the Clique Club. Clique is a social business networking community. This Women's Day, I'd like to give a message to all the women out there that do not stop hustling because we run the world, right girls?
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shreya Agrawal. I'm a dentist and a healthcare manager, and I'm currently associated with Oral Care as the head of business projects and marketing. One message I would like to put across this International Women's Day is that donning multiple hats isn't easy, but at the end of the day, it is worth it. Dream big and achieve big. Happy International Women's Day.
Hi, my name is Amrita. I'm an international fitness consultant and owner of a beautiful company called WISE, which is dance and fitness. I would like to advise all the women on this Women's Day is to follow your heart no matter what happens, because you know what is best for you.
Hi, this is Manjusha. I am the founder promoter of brand Pure Fruits. I would encourage all of you women to follow your passion, take the first step because it's never late. Happy Women's Day. Cheers.
Hello, this is Pooja Naran here from Pune Windows. After 8 years of science, my door started closing, and as they say, when the door closes, the window opens. I strongly believe it's never too late to start over. Follow your passion and most importantly, believe in yourself.
My name is Saili Jaid and I am the founder of the Little One Daycare and Preschool. I believe every woman should do what she feels like and not listen to anybody else and just listen to her heart.
Hello everyone, my name is Konika Anand, a tour operator from Delhi. I represent Jaunting Globe Tours. This International Women's Day, my message to all the amazing women out there is that you deserve your dreams. Chase them until you make them.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonali Kode. I am the founder and the owner of the brand Samsona Getaways. I'm also the founder of Impressions and Expressions. All the best to all of you. Take risks because risk and return go hand in hand. Have a very happy Women's Day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I am Dr. Devi Jyoti Raj, consultant pulmonologist from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. On this Women's Day, I want to tell all those women out there that you can achieve anything you want. You are much more than what you think of yourself. So please keep trying and let's make a world where a separate day to celebrate womanhood will not be needed.
I'm Neha Jella. So I have started my website 2 to 3 years back. So it's about motivate peeps. It's motivating people. So my message for all women is you are doing best that you can. Go for it. You are the power. You are so powerful that no one can be.
I'm Dr. Mamta Prakash, physiotherapist. I use Physiotherapy Clinic, Wakad, Pune. My message to all on this Women's Day: every home and every heart, every feeling and every moment of happiness is incomplete without you. Only you can complete this world.
Aspire
To inspire
Before you retire, happy Women's Day.